In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a list from a supplier into Ecwid. This process is essential for efficiently managing your online store's inventory and ensuring your product offerings are up to date without spending hours doing it manually. So, follow along as we go through each step to make sure your store is smoothly updated with the latest products. To get started, you'll first need to access your Ecwid control panel. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your store. Simply log in using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which provides an overview of your store's performance. Now look for the catalog section and click on it. The catalog is where all your product listings reside. By clicking here, you're one step closer to updating your store with new products. It's a crucial step because this is where you will manage your listings, see what products you currently have, and start the import process. Next, you want to click on Import or Export Products within the catalog section. This option is where the magic happens. You'll have the choice to either import new products or export your current list. Since our goal here is to import a list from a supplier, you'll want to choose the import option. The next step is crucial. Click on Import Products. By doing so, you're preparing to bring in the list from your supplier into Ecwid. It's important to ensure that your product list is correctly formatted for a seamless import. Generally, a CSV file format is used, but make sure to check any specific requirements from Ecwid regarding file format and data structure. Now, it's time to click on Import File. This option will prompt you to locate the file from your computer. Double check that the file you've selected is the correct one provided by your supplier. Once you've chosen the file, Ecwid will typically guide you through a mapping process, allowing you to match columns in your CSV file to product fields in Ecwid. Pay close attention during the mapping process, as accurately mapping these fields is critical for your product data to display correctly in your store. You might need to adjust column headings or provide default values for certain fields. Finally, once you've reviewed everything to ensure the data is correct, you can proceed with the import. After the file is uploaded, Ecwid will process it, and soon thereafter, your products will appear in your catalog, and that's it! With these steps, you now know how to import a list from a supplier into Ecwid, keeping your inventory up to date efficiently. Remember, this process can save you considerable time, especially when adding large numbers of products. If you encounter any issues, Ecwid's support resources are always a great place to find additional help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has